Hello everyone, welcome into Science Today. As you can see, Miss Love is not here. Miss Love is actually taking her son down to Riley for his checkup. So this video is for you to watch so you know what you're doing today and can understand what's going on. Be kind to my sub and make sure, if you haven't already, log on to Zoom. I am not sure if the Zoom link will be open, but check that just to make sure you get credited for your attendance today. If you head over to today's PowerSchool page, obviously you're already there because you found me. Okay, so you are going to work on a states of matter simulation. Now, when you say states of matter, everyone goes, Miss Love, we've been talking about states of matter since elementary school. I get that. You understand the solid, liquid, gas concept. Okay, what we are focusing on, remember, is the transfer of that thermal energy. So what happens to a solid, liquid, and a gas when it changes state? What happens to those particle motions? What happens to our thermal energies? So that is where we are focusing, not just it's a solid, it's a liquid, it's a gas. Okay. You have to go to two things today. First thing I want you to do, you can go right here to the States of Matter website and open that up. It looks familiar. You played with it yesterday or on Tuesday with your Nearpod. But right here, we are actually going to go to phase changes, I do believe. Hold on. The second thing you need is right here, the States of Matter simulation worksheet. I already have it pulled up, but it looks a little bit like this, States of Matter simulation. Oh no, just say click on the solid, liquid, gas tab and explore what happens as you switch among the states for each type of particle, aka atom or molecule. Remember, an atom is just one little thing. A molecule is two that are together. And it says pay attention to the temperature and the motion of the particles. So here in the box, we have 4 different types. You have the atom of neon, you have atoms of argon, you have molecules of oxygen, and you have a molecule of water. So you are going to look at neon and what's its temperature as a solid. Argon, temperature as a solid. Okay, everything is as the same. And then you're going to look at the speed of motion as a solid for argon, as a solid for neon, as a solid for oxygen. Okay, the range of motion. And they give you clues there. Is it fast, is it medium, or is it slow? So you can categorize them. Is it far? Is it kind of just mid-range, or do they not move very far at all? And then what's their type of motion? Is it random, like they're bouncing all over everywhere? Or is it fixed? Can they only move, think of like race cars on a racetrack, can they only move in a certain pattern or in a certain position? Okay, and then so we're going to go here, states of matter. Woo. All right, so we have neon, it says right here. Neon is the blue one. And we can tell right here, I'm going to switch this from Kelvin. Let's go to centigrade, because that's the scale we're going to be more familiar with. But there you go. What's it like? It is solid. Okay, what's its temperature? What's its particle range? Okay, you're going to go to argon and do the same thing. Oxygen and do the same thing. And water is the same thing. Okay, as you can tell, these are in the solid. Here is your liquid. So water as a liquid, what does it do? Oxygen as a liquid, yes, it can be a liquid. What does it do? Same with argon in a liquid. What is it doing? You're going to do neon as well. Then you can do it as a gas. Oh, look at them go. There is neon as a gas, argon as a gas, oxygen as a gas, and water as a gas. Okay, so you're going to fill out your table for solid, liquid, and gas, and then you have a couple of questions. Not a couple, you have a lot of questions actually. Okay, so you're going to go through that, and then you're going to answer your questions. When you're done, you're going to hand this in. The tab button is right there on PowerSchool. Okay, I hope you have a good day. Remember, we only have 2 days left for missing work. So once you get done with this, missing work, please get that turned in.